Hello madam, I am LISHVAARAJ Naidu, son of SIVAJI SELVAN, and my metric number is 01DKM20F1066. Today, me and my friend DUVENTHIREN, son of LAXMA YOGENDRAN, his metric number is 01DKM20F1065. We are going to present about Enquiry, a cinema company, for booking a ticket on a movie. Thank you madam. Hello sir, welcome to TGV Cinema 2nd Avenue. I am LISHVAARAJ. What can I do for you sir?
Hello there, I am Dwayne. I called you to get my tickets booked for the new movie, Spider-Man No Way Home. May I know if the movie will be screening in IMAX 3D?
I'm so sorry sir, the IMAX 3D screening is not available currently at any of our outlet in the whole Malaysia since the spread of the coronavirus. We will update you about the opening of IMAX 3D in our official TGV application. You can get it from Play Store.
Nah, it is okay. I understand the situation. Do you have any other better hall experience for this movie, since there is no 3D available?
Yes, of course sir. We have IMAX 2D, Indulge, Infinity, Family Friendly Hall, Beanie, Onyx, Flex Sound, Plushie, and also Prestige.
Wow, I am impressed with the amount of experiences you have in your cinemas. I am coming with my friend, so which experience will satisfy our expectation?
Sir, I personally would suggest you to watch this movie in IMAX 2D. This is because the screen of this hall is really big and you will enjoy watching your favorite Marvel heroes in such big screen. The seats of this hall are really spacious enough for a person to really have a satisfying and comfortable hall experience.
Great, that's really good to hear. May I know the price for per ticket?
Yes sir, no worries. The price for one ticket for watching movie in this hall is Ringgit Malaysia 30. Compared to the other halls, this is one of the reasonable price for watching a movie, and it is really worth the money you will pay for it sir.
The price is quite worthy. Since I am coming with my friends, are we allowed to sit next to each other?
Sorry sir, only people from the same families are allowed to sit together, and they have to show proof of themselves living together in the same residence. I'm afraid that the police officers and the health department officers might come to the hall and check the customers there. I would suggest you not to sit together sir. They might come and give you summons.
Yeah, that's true. Thanks for the advice. Is there any special promotion for the food and beverages?
Yes sir, there's discount available in our cinemas. You can enjoy 20% of discount on any food and beverages by joining the Movie Hub membership, and it is also free registration. You can order it online and collect it straight from the express lane sir. You will be not given any discount if you order the food and beverages at the counter and pay with cash. We, our company, are expecting to have cashless payment so that we will be preventing the spread of viruses.
Damn, that's such a great initiative. I am really impressed with the way your company is taking steps to give safe data experience for their customers. Yeah. Thank you for the information you gave me. I would like to book 10 tickets under my name, Dwayne.
Thank you for your confirmation sir. Can I get your email address and IC number for our further booking details? A link could be sent to your email address sir. You can open it and pay the ticket fare using online transaction and also bank card.
Yeah, sure. My IC number is 02 12 12 07 0560, and my email address is dwayne@gmail.com. Alright.
Alright sir, a booking of 9 PM show for Spider-Man No Way Home IMAX 2D has been confirmed sir, under the name of DUVENTHIREN. We have done the confirmation and we have sent it to your email address sir. You can now press the link and pay the online transaction for the ticket fare sir. Thank you sir, your booking has been successful. We have sent a confirmation to your email address. The QR code and the other further details have been submitted to your email address as well sir. You can go through it, and once again, thanks for having us to provide you a good cinema experience, and you are always welcome again for a new, better, good experience. Thank you, sir.